Hi, and welcome to Tech Tips. We're going to go over today Infrascale's cloud application backup and how to set it up with Dropbox, how to set up your backups, and we'll look at a couple different ways we can restore data. So everything from initial setup through a quick little demo. Let's go ahead and jump into it. This is the Infrascale dashboard. This is where we control all of the different products that we offer here. So if you were going to manage your cloud backup or your direct-to-cloud or your DR tools, it would all be here. So as we can see, we go to Manage Cloud Application Backup. And here we can see the company, the parent company, what the admin login is. We can see what's actually being used. This is also where you would hit Manage and agree to the terms and conditions. This is going to bring you into your cloud application backup. So here on the left, we can see all the things that we're currently protecting, but Dropbox isn't one of them. So let's go ahead and hit Add. We'll add in Dropbox. We'll put in the name of our Dropbox, which is Infrascale. And then we'll go ahead and hit Authenticate in Dropbox and then allow that. So what that's going to do is it's going to set up that security between our cloud and Dropbox. And now it's going to give us the ability to see all the users that are out there. We can configure certain things in here, like do we want to index the data for searching, archive new users. If we delete someone, how long do we want to keep that archive out there? How frequently do we want to do these backups? What time do we want to start backing up? Now, if we look down here, we can see we've got a couple of users. They're currently not active. So let's go ahead and turn them on. And now they're going to go ahead and do some backups. Now here we can see we've got successful backups out of them. We have the option here to go and run a manual backup. So let's go ahead and kick off manual backups for both of them. So we have a couple of backups in place. That way when we go look at restoring files, we'll have a little bit more information. Now when we go up here, we can now see that we do have Dropbox configured. We've got 2 users, and right now it's kind of in the process of updating that backup information. When we go in and say we want to do a recovery and we click on Dropbox, we can now see that our last backup was 22 seconds ago and our first backup was 19 minutes ago. When we go into Chris Bain, we can see that we have 2 different ways that we can recover. We can recover via snapshot, which gives us a point in time or a range that we want to recover, so everything that's ever been backed up to today, or we can do a search. Now I happen to know that there's a money video out there that's what I want to recover, so we'll go ahead and click on that. Now I can restore it back to Dropbox, where it'll actually, or I could put it to a different user's account, and that's going to create a folder in Dropbox with the date and time that the restore happened, and also put those files in there. Now here we can also download it, or we can have it push it to these other options. For the sake of this one, I'm just going to go ahead and have it download. So down here at the bottom, we can see that it's pending. What that means is it's putting together that restore for us, creating that zip file, and then here we can see it's ready. It'll send us out an email and let us know that it's ready. And then we're just going to download that file. Go ahead and open up the zip file. All right, and there's our video. So here we can see we were able to successfully recover that file via the download method. Now the other method that we can do it, and we'll go ahead and demonstrate that one, is we'll do a search again. We'll look for the same file, but this time we'll actually do the restore to Dropbox. We'll just hit the OK here, and it's going to do the same thing as it did before. It's going to, down at the bottom here, go into a in process, and then once it's done, it'll shoot us an email and let us know, and that file will appear in Dropbox for us. So here we can see in the Dropbox that we've done 2 different restores, and it does give us the date and time that they were restored. And then if we click on those folders, it'll take us in and show us, all right, well, we restored a video, and then underneath that, we'll have our video that was restored. Thanks for watching that tech tip. Go ahead and subscribe to the Infrascale social media. We've got LinkedIn and Twitter and YouTube and Facebook. So just go ahead and subscribe to all those and stay tuned for the next update.